Welcome to the top best. The best creatine is probably one of the most researched and effective supplements available for boosting strength, power, and muscle growth, making it a staple for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike who are serious about optimizing their performance and achieving their physique goals without unnecessary fillers or artificial ingredients, ensuring you get pure, potent results with every scoop. Number 5. Cellucor C4 Sport Pre-Workout. Get ready to elevate your training sessions. This powerful formula is designed to provide the energy you need to push through your toughest workouts. With 135 mg of caffeine, it delivers a significant energy boost. This helps you stay focused and alert, ensuring every rep counts. It also contains a 3G beta-alanine performance blend. This ingredient helps support endurance and reduce fatigue, allowing you to perform at your peak. Rest assured about its quality and safety. It is NSF certified for sport, meaning it has been rigorously tested for banned substances and ingredient accuracy. Enjoy the refreshing blue raspberry flavor with every scoop. Each container provides 30 convenient servings, making it easy to integrate into your routine. What we like. This product is a pre-workout powerhouse, delivering explosive energy and enhanced performance. It contains key ingredients like caffeine and beta-alanine to fuel your workouts. If you're looking for a significant energy boost before your training and value certified quality, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Jacked Factory Creatine Monohydrate Powder. Introducing a premium creatine monohydrate powder designed to help you reach your fitness goals. It's a powerful supplement for enhancing strength and performance. With a convenient 5-gram daily serving, incorporating this into your routine is effortless. Just one scoop helps support your active lifestyle every day. This versatile supplement is formulated for both men and women. Regardless of your fitness level, it can help you achieve your desired results. Committed to inclusivity, this product is completely vegan-friendly. It aligns perfectly with plant-based diets, ensuring everyone can benefit. Rest assured of its quality and purity, as it undergoes rigorous third-party testing. This ensures you're getting a safe and effective supplement. Each container provides an impressive 85 servings, offering excellent value. This generous supply ensures you're well-stocked for your fitness journey. Being unflavored, it mixes effortlessly into your favorite beverages without altering their taste. Enjoy its benefits without any unwanted flavors. What we like. This creatine monohydrate offers pure, unflavored supplementation. It is rigorously third-party tested for purity and is completely vegan-friendly. If you prioritize clean, versatile supplementation and ethical sourcing, this one is perfect for your regimen. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source content is empty. Number 3. Cellucor Cor-Performance Creatine Monohydrate. Ready to elevate your workouts? This powerful supplement is engineered to help you unlock new levels of strength and endurance. It provides crucial support for your muscles, allowing you to push harder and lift heavier. Experience remarkable gains in your lifting capacity. Beyond just power, it actively promotes the development of lean muscle mass. Integrate it into your routine to sculpt a stronger physique. Crafted with high-quality creatine monohydrate, it ensures optimal absorption and effectiveness. This ingredient is scientifically proven to enhance athletic performance. Each container offers 72 servings, providing a long-lasting boost for your training. You can maintain consistent support for your fitness goals. What we like. This product provides a solid foundation for strength and muscle growth. It's a straightforward, effective creatine monohydrate with a good number of servings. If you're focused on consistent gains and a reliable, no-frills option, this is a great pick. What people say. Number 2. Muscle Feast Creapure Creatine Monohydrate Powder. This premium supplement is crafted for purity. It's vegan, keto-friendly, and completely gluten-free, fitting seamlessly into diverse dietary needs. Looking to build mass? This powerful powder acts as an effective mass gainer, helping you achieve your physique goals. After an intense workout, your muscles need support. It aids in muscle recovery, preparing you for your next session faster. It's a trusted creatine source, specifically designed to support significant muscle growth. Many rely on its proven benefits. This unflavored powder is easy to mix into any drink. Each 500g container provides ample servings for consistent use. What we like. This features premium Creapure creatine, ensuring high purity and quality. It's ideal for muscle recovery and growth, and is both vegan and keto-friendly. If you demand the highest purity and specific dietary compatibility, this is your go-to. What people say. Number 1. Sports Research Creatine Monohydrate. Ready to elevate your fitness journey? This premium supplement is designed to help you achieve your goals. It's the perfect addition to any serious workout regimen. Looking to sculpt a stronger physique? It effectively supports the growth of lean muscle mass. You'll notice a difference in your body composition over time. Push past your limits with enhanced power. This formula is proven to significantly improve your athletic performance and overall strength. Experience new personal bests. Don't let soreness hold you back. It aids in faster workout recovery, helping your muscles repair and prepare for the next session. Get back to training sooner and stronger. Each serving provides 5 grams of high-quality micronized creatine. This ensures optimal absorption and effectiveness, delivering the benefits you expect. It's a pure and potent form. What we like. This offers micronized creatine for potentially better absorption and solubility. It's designed to help you gain lean muscle and improve overall performance. If you're seeking enhanced solubility and optimal uptake for your workouts, this is a strong contender. What people say. No reviews available in the source to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in a source JSON to get relevant points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.